And check out the view from the CTV Skywatch camera looking south towards lovely downtown Lethbridge there. Lots of sunshine today, and that sunshine is going to be continuing for several days. So you'll want to get out to the ballpark is my theory. So I'm giving away lots of Bulls baseball tickets. So get on the phone, call the win line, leave me a daytime and an evening number if that's appropriate, and I'll clear the lines and give away a whole bunch of baseball tickets for the next several games. Step out of frame, let's take a peek at what we're currently looking at. Just crested into 31 degrees, and that is our daytime high. We got down to 4 degrees at about 2 a.m., and that's when we had some mist. So if you saw a few droplets of water on your patio furniture when you got up this morning, yeah, there was a little bit of moisture that was in the air. So some areas saw a little bit of that, some areas didn't, of course. Look at this bright pink. It's always important to coordinate your wardrobe with the graphics. I'm thinking lots of heat in southern Alberta today. 34 degrees for you folks in Medicine Hat, and some other places 34 as well. Here are some of the record temperatures that were broken in Alberta today. 14 in total. Bit the dust, but these are just 6 of the most, I guess, the heaviest jump as far as temperatures went, but 6 of the 14 that you just saw. What we have here in southern Alberta, big area of high pressure. It's part of that dome that really dominated the eastern United States, extended into southern Ontario, southern Quebec, and parts of the Maritime. That has shifted westward, so we're just on the northern edge of that dome. And of course, our area of high pressure extends further north because the jet stream extends further north as well. So all those combination of factors is what's giving us very warm temperatures here. It's a very stable air mass. It's going to be with us for quite a while, so get used to these warm temperatures. In the East Kootenay, we're looking at severe thunderstorm watch in effect for right now, so they are seeing some distant thunderstorm activity and preparing for more in the overnight hours. Some of that could drift across into southern Alberta tonight, but really when you get temperatures this warm, be prepared for any of the late afternoon, early evening conditions to be ripe for some thundershower activity as we're taking a look at those very warm temperatures. 20 degrees in St. John's. You can see that the temperatures in eastern Canada have really moderated from what they were at this time last week. People in eastern Canada, although it's still warm, breathing a sigh of relief that they're not looking at those high humidity values. Now out west, things are a little humid and feeling much warmer than the temperatures that you see on your screen. 30 in Winnipeg, 29s in Regina and Saskatoon. It's warm on the coast. Up north, not quite so warm. Whitehorse at 17 degrees right now, but Yellowknife, look at that number there, 27 degrees, and they're expected to stay there for daytime highs for a few days as well. East Kootenay, you're looking at 17 for an overnight low tonight. That chance of thundershower activity tonight, chance late in the day tomorrow as well. The bulk of the day you'll see a sun and cloud mix, and you get up to 29 degrees. For the Crow's Nest Pass, 15 degrees for an overnight low tonight, 29 tomorrow, sun and cloud mix, chance of late day shower activity as well. Medicine Hat, a little more stable for you, 32 degrees for a high tomorrow, and mainly sunny skies throughout the day. 16 for an overnight low tonight. And here in Lethbridge, our low tonight should hit about 14 degrees under mostly cloudy skies, especially after midnight. And then tomorrow we've got sun and cloud mix, more cloud than sun at times tomorrow, 30 degrees for a daytime high. There's your 5-day forecast. We've got that warm air mass existing with us for the next several days and extends even beyond that. The long range forecast is putting us in 29 or 30 degree weather even into the middle of next week. There's your record temperatures, and for you historians, remember 2007 was a very hot and dry July, and there's the proof in the pudding. The numbers up on the screen there. So we have had some warm ones in the past. We're in for a warm stretch this time around as well. That's it for me. Have a safe evening, everyone.